The Janus dial, a luxury timepiece handcrafted for the modern traveler. Inspired by cities visited during its development, our signature dual time zone design was born. At the heart of the timepiece, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal revealing an ornate multi-layered dial, dual Swiss-made movements, brown topaz Swarovski crystals decorating each crown, and a 316L surgical-grade stainless steel to ensure durability. The Janus dial is complemented by a mesh bracelet or textured Saffiano leather band. And because we understand luxury demands durability, we've included a hand-stitched leather case to protect your Janus dial while you travel. We've spared no expense. We are so confident in our craftsmanship that each timepiece is covered by an industry-disrupting lifetime warranty. How can we offer the luxury craftsmanship you expect from a luxury brand at a fair price, you ask? We sell directly to you and bypass the network of distributors, wholesalers, and retailers that mark up prices. We founded J. Hathaway to inspire traveling in style and committed ourselves to creating the classic essentials you expect from a luxury brand at a fair price. The Janus dial. Available in limited edition colorways